All right, how many spritzes does it take to get Frankie, like, actually wet? Okay. 1. It's okay, baby. 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 17. She's so over it. 4:25. Okay, let's take a look. How you doing, Franks? That's pretty wet. Let's do 5 more and see. Ready? That was 6. That's pretty wet. That's a pretty wet Frankie. So we can do 30 on each of them and see. What do you think, Frankie? That's pretty good. That's a fairly wet chicken. Okay, Gwynta, you're like impervious to water, but let's give you 30 spritzes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right. Look, he's like not even wet. Look at you. It did nothing. You can see like some droplets, but in terms of getting like up into his feathers, he's basically dry. Why are you so magical? Oh, 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 oh. Okay, that was way more. And still, look, I mean, he has a nice glisten to him. I don't know if you can see that.
When he shakes, it'll go away.
Yep. Gwynta, give a shake. That's okay, I can film him there. Gwynta, look at you. You're not even wet. What's up with that? You've just got higher dust and fluff density, I think. Okay, last but not least, it's Bolin. You ready? Okay, baby. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How you doing? Oh, that's a good shake. You look pretty wet. That's pretty wet for a Bobo. About the same level as Frankie, I'd say.
Maybe more.
Maybe a little bit more. I mean, he's less dusty, so I'd expect that. The feathers on the front are a bit wetter. What do you think? Do you want some more? He's like, no. Wow. Oh, now you're really soaking, huh? Oh, good boy.